Everybody, I'm back upstairs. So show I brought the body up. I'm really happy with how the paint job came out. I see maybe a little couple areas where maybe when I wet sand it, maybe I'll just give it one more yellow coat after that, just to take care of those little spots that may have needed just a little more shot of paint. But yeah, look at it. Look at that. I'm very excited. It's sure, I can't tell you how many coats it took to cover the black. I lost count after 72, but yeah, I mean, it's gorgeous. Much better than the spray can. Than I thought the spray can was doing. So yeah, can't wait to get it sanded and gloss it, and I'll be putting black stripes on it. I'm wondering, I'm debating if I want to leave the hood black or not, but that's for another time. Let me catch you up on my bench. So the front end was missing a spring. So, and obviously you need two. So I dug out, I dug out a drivetrain from another kit, and I cut the springs off of it. I had to file them down so they fit into the Camaro, but yeah, I got those all filed down and painted, ready to put those in. The rims that came with it, there were 4 rims, but it was 2 sets of 2 different styles, a different style that's on the back and a different style that's on the front. I wasn't really a keen fan on that, a big fan on that, so I got the other rims I had. I tried putting them, they literally just fell right through the tire. These ones have ribs on them, so these fit really well. I did have to, I don't know if you can see the difference. I did move my fat finger out of the way. There we go. I did need to file them way down so I can fit the wheel back in behind them, because these are obviously a lot thicker. Has wide rear tires, so these will fit in just fine. I'm white lettering the tires. Not sure exactly how I feel about how that came out. So if I don't like it, I'm just gonna use thinner and take all the paint off, and I'll just use the black wall side. But there is a lot of flash on these things. So yeah, that's that. The dash I took, they were one of the selections for the 37 Ford, so I actually stuck those in there. I got to figure out the tachometer. I don't have anything for that, but I might just do something by hand with that. I usually don't do too bad doing that. And yeah, that's about as far as I've gotten so far. It's coming slow. Might come even slower because mail came today. And I'm so excited because it got here so much earlier than I was supposed to. Let me move my Camaro parts aside here. All right, we've got space. We got a box. Where's my knife? Here it is. that out. Get the box out of the way. My Porsche is here for the Porsche group build. Look at that. Alright, I'll open this up and we'll take a look at the inside. Take a look at all the trees and decals. More, okay. All right. So we got the tires here. Should keep my knife handy. It's got thin wheels, but I've never seen that in the center of a tire though. Probably because they're just so thin. But anyway, there's the tires. Got the chrome, some wire rims. There's not a lot of chrome in this kit. I actually kind of like that. So yeah, there's the chrome. It's open. Everything's molded in gray, obviously. I kind of like these German Revell kits. I don't know why. I just like them better. Yeah, so we got the dash and engine tilt fin, a mixture of engine parts. Tub, bucket seats, doors. Look at the detail on these things. This is a cool looking kit. There's going to be a lot of assembling, which I don't mind. It looks like we've got a lot of undercarriage here. I'll squeeze it out a little tight. How they get it in there? There we go. Next we got the undercarriage, the wheel covers. Look at that, huh? Look at all the. There's a lot of parts in this kit. A lot of parts. Nice. Got some rotors with the brakes. A couple more engine parts. There's a majority of the engine right here, or the motor, whatever you want to call it. Does the same thing, motors and engines, I think. So yeah, there's that. Well, I imagine, yeah, so this is chassis parts, got a couple engine parts. But look at all all the parts, man. That's really cool, actually. I'm really excited to be part of this build. All right. Not going to take the glass out, but there's all the glass, the windows. There's almost as much as clear plastic as there is chrome. Very cool. Very cool. Take a gander at the body here. I already have a color in mind for this. Actually, the first color I thought about for this was the yellow, but then I decided to do, although I could do them both yellow, but I wanted to do the Camaro that color. That's a boss looking car right there. Let's hope it still looks boss when I'm done with it. Here's the rest of the body parts. Got the bumpers, hood, not the hood, the engine cover. Very cool, very cool. All right, I'm gonna slip the body parts back in the bag and we'll check to see if we got decals in here, which I'm sure there must be. Come on, get in there. There we go. The instruction booklet. Oh, and there's the decals. Wait though. There's the key, the color chart. Oh, look at that. How long do we have to do this? Remind me in the comments below. Look at that. That's sweet. That is, I'm excited about this build. There's a decal sheet. Looks like most of the decals are license plate choices. But yeah, so there's the decal sheet. So July 1st is the day. Start digging into this. It's going to be fun, very exciting. So yeah. So look, I didn't wear my glove painting today. Can you? Whoops, wrong hand. I didn't paint my glove painting today. Can you tell? I think I kept it off my wedding ring. Don't tell my wife. Speaking of that, she's in Pennsylvania right now with her sister. So yeah, if you could just offer some more prayers up for her. She's having a rough time. She has pancreatic cancer, and from what I understand, you could have that for 20 years before they detect it. So she's going through brutal sessions of chemo, 48 hours straight of chemo. And yeah, my wife's been down there in the hospital with her 24/7. So yeah, if you just keep offering prayer, keep them in your prayers, and the best outcome for my wife's sister, the best outcome possible. And as I said before, the Lord can do anything. So yeah, I thank you all for your thoughts and prayers that go down that way. I do like to thank you for joining me. I thank you to all my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below, click that like button, share, and I will see you next time. Thank you, and God bless.